Today I'm reviewing this GeerTop SUV tent. I will install it and show you how cool it is. A lot of neat features about this tent. It has this nice covered porch area, has a screen gazebo area in front of the tent, large spacious tent on the inside. As you can see, that's the screen gazebo area, windows on both sides for seeing out. We can open up a screened in area going into the vehicle. We can drop this all together. Roll this up. Go right into the vehicle where we have all our stuff stored. Super spacious tent area. So much room. What a very high quality tent. As you can see, the sheer size. Plenty of room for a whole family to camp.